Good morning, this is Mike Houston with your Thursday morning weather hazard briefing for southeast Idaho. Looking at our weather impact summary slide, we have a low pressure system positioned over the region. It'll be shifting east through the area today, resulting in another day of cool temperatures and scattered showers and thunderstorms. Drier conditions will filter into the region late tonight and remain over the region through Friday with slightly warmer temperatures. And then a second low-pressure system will sweep through the region on Saturday, bringing yet another round of showers and thunderstorms to the area. We do expect to see a warming trend early next week as a high-pressure ridge struggles to redevelop across the region. Looking at satellite imagery this morning, we do see that low-pressure center centered over Boise this morning. It is a complex low. There's another circulation up here in the Panhandle and a second one rotating out of southeast Nevada into southern Utah. It's going to rotate north today, bringing us those showers and thunderstorms today, primarily across the east. But we could see some shower activity working its way back up into the central mountains as well. Looking at our storm track this morning, here's that low pressure center centered over southern Idaho. It will continue to shift east and exit off into Wyoming late this evening. As a result, as I mentioned, temperatures will remain somewhat cool across the region with lower 70s here in the Snake River Plain and lower 60s to near 70 in the Central Mountains and Southeast Highlands. Storm total precipitation for today's storm system. The bulk of the precipitation will be out here along the Wyoming border, eastern highlands, with upwards of 3/4 of an inch of precipitation possible there. You get a little further westward over towards Burley and Sun Valley and Stanley area, and those areas will generally see less than 1/10 of an inch of precipitation and just some scattered showers. Looks like we get a break, like I said, in the activity here on Friday as that low-pressure system that's over us today works off into the Dakotas, and we see the next storm system beginning to work its way into the Seattle area here on Friday afternoon. But for the most part on Friday, we'll be relatively dry across the region. Perhaps some showers up here along the Montana-Wyoming border, but dry for most of southeast Idaho. By Saturday afternoon, that low-pressure system sweeping into southern Idaho, bringing another round of showers and thunderstorms to southeast Idaho. That will also bring cooler temperatures. Here we are looking at highs generally running in the mid-70s here in the Snake Plain and mid-60s to lower 70s in the Central Mountains and Southeast Highlands. In addition to the cooler temperatures, we will see some winds along with that incoming system. Here we are looking at wind gusts across the region here, generally in the 20 to 25 mile per hour range. In addition to the cooler temperatures and wind, we do expect to see precipitation. Here we are looking at upwards of 3/4 of an inch of precipitation across the Central Mountains and Eastern Highlands, and less than half an inch here, less than 1/4 of an inch here across the Snake River Plain and elsewhere. By the time we get out to early next week, we see a disorganized ridge trying to redevelop across the Great Basin. That should bring us some warmer temperatures and dry conditions as well, if we can get that ridge to really begin to pump up. But right now, looking at high temperatures generally in the 80s here in the Snake River Plain, mid-70s to lower 80s in the Central Mountains and Southeast Highlands. Okay, to review, we have a low-pressure system positioned over the region this morning. It will work slowly east today, resulting in cool temperatures and scattered showers and thunderstorms. Drier conditions will filter into the region here on Friday. And then we see the second low-pressure system sweeping through the region on Saturday, bringing another round of showers and thunderstorms to the area. Warmer conditions are expected early next week as a ridge of high pressure struggles to redevelop across the region. That's all I had for you here this morning. If you had any comments or questions, please give us a call at the number on the screen. Thank you.